Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start one of the most popular topic, email writing. Email writing. In this modern era, we use in our daily life it very much, and it is the very cheapest and fastest means of communication, and it helps us to connect us with the whole world. Now let's start it. Email writing, it means electronic. E means electronic mail. An electronic mail or email is a system which enable us to convey our ideas and share our views with others, and we can send messages, receive messages, and restore messages through it. So now let's start next point, structure of email. There are two types of email. First is formal, now second is informal. Formal email we have to write for business purpose, and we use it in the offices and also use in the schools, and we use here formal language only. And informal email writing, we have to write it for our family members, our blood relations and friends and relatives also. Now next point, now comes to its format. Students, listen carefully. Its format is very useful for us, useful for you. It will help you in your email writing, and it can make email writing by the help of it very effectively. Now let's start it. I will tell you about its format. Now at the top we have to write, we write to. It means to receiver. Suppose I'm going to write, I'm writing email, I'm sending email to someone, then I will write here that person mail ID, mail address. It means receiver. Now the next point is from. Suppose I'm writing an email, I'm sending email to someone, then here I will write my own ID. It means sender. Date, suppose today 29 July, 29th July 2020. Subject. Whenever you do in your exams, then you find a question, and here subject means reason, and which is given in your question. So during examination, that you should read it very carefully and find out reason or subject from there, and then write here reason. Now we have to divide a box into two parts, and the upper part is we call is header part. It means address part. Here sender or receiver and whatever you have given, that you have to write here. And the next part and the lower or below part, we call it body of email, message part. First of all, we have to mention here salutation or greetings. And remember one thing, whenever you write informal email, then you will address here dear and etc. that you like those type of words you can write here. And suppose if you write formal email, you have to write here respected. Isn't it clear? Now the next point, body of email, yani matter. Here comes matter. It means whenever whatever you want to write here, you have to write here. First of all, you will give here introduction, then matter in details, and then conclusion. Okay, and at the end of the email, customary ending will be held, like regards. If you write email in informal way, you will pay regards here to your elders and to your parents and etc. And if you write formal email, then you will write here your faithfully, your truly, and then write your name. But in formal email, you will pay regards, and after that you will write your lovingly and your affectionately, like these type of words you will use here. So this is the format of email, and this definitely, students, this will help you in your email writing in a correct way. You can write, you can make your email writing effectively with the help of this format. Students, if you will keep it in your mind, definitely you have no need to cram it. So revise it and keep it in your mind, and during examination, now do best.